of the floor. I got it all cut in and everything. Wanted to hop on here and show you. So let me show you real quick. Got it all cut in around the walls and everything. It's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to put it in time warp and start rolling this section out. I got to move the light, but other than that, let's get going. Okay guys, as you see, I got this section done. I'm gonna let it dry, then come back and check it out, but I think it's looking good. I wanted to get this section done so I can move Angie's all of her backdrops, all of her stuff for her studio back over here, so I can start working on the other side. But right now this is the floor. I think it looks pretty good.
Yep.
And there's the top, and got those walls done. The floor, like I said, I'm gonna kind of let it dry. I'll come back here in a little bit and check it out. So hope you guys enjoyed this short video, but stay tuned for some more.
Bye.
So we'll chat with you guys later.